Hi, I'm John Kelly from JVC Professional. We're here at KitPlus in Manchester, and on the JVC stand this year we're showing the full range of our production equipment. That includes our camcorders such as the HC550, 550 and also the HC900. So whether it's for general ENG work, production work, these are excellent choices as professional camcorders. Also, a really key feature for us and an area we're developing strongly at the moment is our PTZ camera range. So we've added to that range with a range of cameras which include both HD and 4K cameras. They include a variety of formats, including, for example, SRT streaming, NDI support, and for example, the latest model we've just introduced is a new model called the KY-PZ510. The PZ510 is a really interesting product. It's a 4K 5060p product. It's supporting, again, both NDI and SRT, but also it's a really sort of interesting, unique feature in that it has auto-tracking built into the camera. So you can simply select a person, could be, for example, a lecturer on stage, a presenter, for example, and you can set it to track that person and will automatically track without any other engagement. So it gives you a really flexible and cost-effective solution for a lot of production environments. So PTZ is certainly a big area we're focusing on this year at KitPlus, and we have the full range here to support that.